At the height of his aspirations, he crossed the threshold into the immense void of the space station, the culmination of years of relentless dedication and an unwavering dream. This moment was the zenith of his existence, a testament to the boundless nature of human ambition. As he floated in the weightlessness of space, exhilaration surged through him, a powerful acknowledgement of his tenacity and resolve. He had made it. Then, a voice crackled through his headset, bridging the vast distance from Earth. "Do you have anything to say to the people back home?" He paused, the weight of the moment sinking in. With a composed yet profound voice, he responded, "All for one and one for all." Those words reverberated through the silence of space, carrying a depth that resonated with everyone on Earth. Were they premeditated, or did they stem from a deeply ingrained philosophy? All for one and one for all. A phrase rich with significance, embodying unity, selflessness, and the might of collective effort. It encapsulated the essence of teamwork, the spirit of collaboration, and the power of a shared vision. More than a motto, it was a guiding principle that had propelled him through every challenge, obstacle, and victory. In that instant, his words transcended the boundaries of the space station, touching the hearts of millions. They symbolized humanity's interconnectedness, a reminder that our greatest feats are not achieved by individuals alone but through the collective strength and support of many. His journey had been navigated with this ethos, knowing that his success mirrored the combined efforts of countless individuals who shared a common dream. From the engineers who crafted the spacecraft to the families who bolstered their loved ones' ambitions, every person played a crucial role. All for one and one for all. It was a call to action, urging everyone to recognize the power of unity and shared purpose. It stood as a testament to the idea that when we unite, there are no limits to our achievements. In the vast silence of space, his message was clear, impactful, and deeply stirring. It was a reminder that our dreams, no matter how grand, are realized through the collective spirit of humanity. As we wrap up, remember that every challenge we face is an opportunity for growth and learning. Reflect on what we've discussed today, and consider how you can apply these insights to your own life. Change begins with a single step, and the journey of 1,000 miles starts with you. Stay curious, stay resilient, and keep pushing forward. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep striving for your best self.